Hello everyone, Sam here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the pound index um, and the trades taken because of this pound index chart. This is the chart I showed in my last video, if you watched that video, um, about the trades. And at the end I said, well, this is one of the chart, and it was there halfway, right? So this was the chart I made first on 21st. This is pound index chart, by the way, right? So after dropping, it went up here, A and ABC B, and then I said wave C, and we'll finish up this black wave 2 right there. So we're probably gonna go up. So now this has happened after that. So on the 25th, we were here. So we made we went up a little bit, and then we came back again, made the double bottom, and then went up. Right, it start to go up, and we are way above 50 to 60, and that's it. I said this is probably going to happen now, and I must stay above 53.96. And then what happened to this one on Monday? This was Friday, right? And then Saturday, Sunday, and the Monday it start to go, and it went all the way up to 56.51. Here's the chart. See that? So it straight went up, and obviously when the pound goes up, the pound index goes up, pound gets strong, and all the pair where the pound is on the left hand side, and by the way, there are all the pairs, not most, but all the pairs except one where the pound is on the right hand side, which is euro pound, right? So except that, all the pound pairs supposed to go up when the index going up, right? Because the pound is getting strong. So I found the opportunity and the setup in three of those pound pairs. On Monday, when this thing start to go up, we get the setups on the pairs, right? So these are the trades that I got. I basically, when I closed my trades, it was here at 55.92. So I didn't want to take a risk, because usually when it hit the level, it drops, right? So if you are in profit, then and decent profit, you might as well just take the money and run, and don't be greedy. So that's the idea. So I stopped my trades, but it went up to 56.51 anyway, and then it dropped. So look, this is what happened to this chart. Well, the trades that I took when it was going up, let me show you the trades here. The first trade was Power Newsy, right? This is what it is on the 28th. Beautiful long entry by the book setup, and went up 135 pip. So the reason I closed at 55.92, the index was hitting 55.92, and I was up here in 135. So there is no reason to hold and then give it back to all the profit to the market. Now the other trade was pound Aussie for 130 pip, same, almost the same. Pound Aussie, pound Aussie, side by side. Right? So beautiful entry, and the pound yen. Look at the pound yen. Beautiful entry here, long entry, and 115 pip. So 130, 135, and that's 265, and then this 80. So 380. So yeah, 380, right? 380 pip in one day between three trades, only because of that index chart. Now, after hitting that 56.51, I was expecting that it might drop, right? Look what happened to that chart. Boom. It went up, it hit 56.51, and then it straight down. This is I just recorded a little while ago. This is a new setup now. So this is what happens. You see, it went up, it dropped, then you go long again. It went up, it dropped. Now, if it goes long, the thing is that this system, that Magic IB system, is such that we wait. So index is gonna start to go up. I'll be watching on one computer the index chart, the 7-minute chart, and the 20-minute chart. So if it start to go up, then I will be looking for long setup, Magic IB setup in the pairs. If I can find one, just like looking like this, you see, the yellow is above the black, and this indicates all the way down, and then this red candle dropping and then turning into blue, start to go up, and I open the trade. This is the setup. This is the setup here. See this? The yellow is above the black, and everything is above the red, and then this indicator is all the way down, going up, and then these red candles start to turn blue. That's start to continuation to the upside, and I open the trade here. Once it goes a little bit higher, then I come and sit on a break even plus, right? Same thing here. Everything, all this. Oh, well, that was the first one. So you can see all three same way. Yellow is above the black, this, and then gone, right? And this one, yellow is above the black. So this is the setup that we look for after the move starts in the index, right? So this is a new chart now. Before chart I made it just now a little while ago, and it looks like that it's bouncing, but there's no volume right now. People are not. It's there ready to bounce, but I'm gonna be sitting and waiting for the long setups in my pound pairs. Like I said, that if it start to go up, all pound pairs will be going up. Pound Aussie, pound Aussie, pound CAD, this, that, right? Except euro pound, because the pound is on the right hand side, that will be going down. So this is what it is. This is how you trade the setup, nice and clean, with perfection. And here I'm giving you the setup again, that if it's not that it's not gonna break and go down, yeah, it can, right? So that's the beauty about the system, is that you don't get wrong, because if it is if then strategy, if we stay above 55.01, if we bounce from the TL or 55.01 and then start to go up, and if we find the magic IB setup in the pairs, the long setup, then we will take it. Understand? But if it continues dropping, then what? We're not going to take longs. Forget about the longs. Then the tide will change, and then we will look for the short setup. If there is a reason, there is a good enough reason that why it would drop, because of the bad funding from UK, right? And that will make the pound weaker, and the pound start dropping, and that this could be it. The C wave could end here, right? Yeah, so it will drop here, that will go up and make a short setup, right? Just like this one here, this drop and then go up, make a short setup, and it goes all the way up, and then start to come down, and then we will go short in the pairs. You understand? This is the game. So right now the game is getting set up here. Let me see the live chart here. This is the live chart. See, it just went up a little bit, right? So it's trying to go up from here. It already hit this high here, 55.1, I guess, right? Yeah, let me see. Just take a look. Oh, come on, man. That's 55.05 we came. As low as 55.05. This is 55.01, so it might just go from here, and then I'll be getting long in my pound pairs, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound USD, pound CAD, pound Aussie, all of that. Even one or two trades or three trades, that's fine. You don't have to take all the, you just saw that between three trades, that's 380 pip. That's crazy, right? And I show it before it happens, right? So I always showed it, and now I'm just telling you that if we can bounce from here, start to go up, right? And then if it's obvious, then it's not that you just go blindly and then open the trade. No, I have to have a proper setup with 4 conditions met. Yellow is above the black, lower high, and the indicator is all the way down going up. Then a reversal candle and a couple of blue candles, we open the trade. If any other conditions are not met, that's out of the question. So, and then that usually happens, and we get a lot of entries. Those entries are all over the place. So this is it for now. Let's get ready for this thing to go up, and then a couple of more trades today, because in London session nothing happens. So USA session, the people will come in, and it's a 1 minute to start the US session. Okay, so I'm gonna go and then get ready to take some entries. Usually 10 a.m. Eastern time, big moves happen. So be ready 30 minutes from now. All right, so bye for now, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week.